Denn seit 48 Stunden sorgt dieses Video für Aufregung im Internet. Zu 21% davon die Aufnahmen für echt. Doch das sind sie nicht. Die Bilder sind gestellt. Und zwar von uns. Kommen, das wollen wir mit unserem Experiment herausfinden. Bereits deutlich verändert.
Wie ist es geworden? Wie sind Sie zufrieden?
Ich bin sehr zufrieden. Ich denke, das Ergebnis lässt sich
الان من مسیح فرض میکنم اومدم شما مردم دنیایی یا مسلمانی یا مسیح شما مسلمان هم باشید من قبول دارید میگم من مسیح هم ظهور کردم شما میپذیرید همینجوری یه چیز ازم میخواید دیگه چی ازم میخواید
همون معجزه‌ای که حضرت مسیح داشت
احسن معجزه موسی علیه السلام من نمیخواید من مسیحم چیکار کنم رو آب را برم
مرده زنده بود
کور شفا بدم رو آب راه برم جناب آقای کریس آنجل که قبلا رو آب راه رفت راه رفت یا نرفت راه رفت با کلک خدا میز شیشه‌ای میذارن توی آب اون افرادی که توی استخر هستن اون میز شیشه‌ای رو جابجا میکنن مردم متوجه نمیشن شیشه رو تو آب نمیبینن خود شکستن رو کور شفا بدم این کاری نکردی که چی شده ما همین الان دکترا دارن کور شفا میدن یه نکته دیگه میمونه مرده زنده کردن کدوم مرده رو زنده کنم خوبه میگه مثلا طرف میگه بیا بابا بزرگ من زنده کن یا بابا بزرگ تو کسی نمیشناسی که یک رو زنده کنم که همه میشناسن مثلا من میام یک کسی رو زنده میکنم که 1 میلیارد نفر مراسم تدفینشو پخش زنده از تلویزیون دیدن مایکل جکسون خوبه روان شخصیت خوب اینا هیچ وقت نمونده و از اول زنده بودن بلکه یک چی بوده سناریو بوده.
Do you think, Michael, do you think it's murder?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I said it in the beginning and I believe it to this day. Absolutely. Absolutely. You must remember Michael told me repeatedly that they were going to kill him, that he was going to die. He not only told me, he told my mother as well, yeah. And she mentions it quite often too.
And who did it?
There's quite a few involved. The doctor that you're looking at, the doctor that you see there, was the fall guy. That's what he was. He was the fall guy.
And so there are people in the background?
There are people in the
pulling
background.
strings?
Yes, absolutely.
He's truly a blessing. He's a blessing from Allah. And the reason why I say this is because he was blessed with so much talent and so much ability. And usually in this world, people take that and they don't give back, and they don't use that for the right things. Michael took Allah's blessings and he gave back to inspire children, to inspire people. And in this sick world we live in, they tried to bring him down with the very thing that he loved, which is children. And he was the voice for children who were less fortunate. And that's how these false allegations came about, and all these things about the false child molestation. One of the most wonderful human beings. Not because of his talent and his artistry, but the person he was, to take Allah's blessings and to not get concerned about homes and cars and this and that, but to give back to people and to inspire.
I do as many hospitals as I do concerts. I do as many orphanages as I do concerts. But because it's good news, the press don't cover it. They want bad news. But I do it from my heart. I don't do it to wave a flag and say, look at me. We bring bags of toys and posters and albums, and you should see how it transforms these kids. They jump up and down and they're so happy.
He was so powerful in success. This was all planned. It was part of a conspiracy, part of the American government, the FBI, to do an investigation for 17 years on Michael Jackson. And for what? They found nothing. And they tried and tried and tried to bring him down, to diminish his popularity. So now they release him while he's dead because they want him out of the way. He became so successful. He's kind